How to add phone number to Steam account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a phone number to your Steam account. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your Steam and make sure that you're logged into your account. After doing that, you can head over to your account details. You can tap on view my profile from the top right corner to check out your profile. Now here you can see all of your informations, but since we want to change our settings or we want to change our account information, what we'll do is we'll head over to account details. So you can head over there by tapping on this icon here and tapping on account details. After doing that, head over to contact info, and after you're on contact info, you will need to tap on add a phone number. After you do that, all you have to do is add in a phone number, and after you do that, tap on next. After you tap on next, after you give it a valid phone number, you can just tap on next and it will confirm your phone number through a SMS. It will just send you a code which you will need to verify, and then after the verification process you will have added your phone number. And that is basically it. That is how you add a phone number to your Steam account. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.